Imagine waking up and placing a few trades and making 9.8k in just minutes without stressing over charts, indicator or market trends. Sound impossible? Well, watch closely because I'm about to prove it. This is the power of Premium Trading Algo AI, a fully automated system that scans the market, find the best opportunities and execute trade with near perfect accuracy. No guesswork, no emotion, just results. So if you have been struggling with inconsistent wins, today's video will change the way you trade forever. Alright, let's jump into the live market. First trade going in with 2.5k on a 1 minute trade. The bot instantly deducts a profitable trend and boom, the trade is placed. Trade running, look at the market movement. It is exactly what we wanted. And there it is, 4.5k in the bag. Now let's proceed further, placing a 3000 trade. The AI bot analyzes the market conditions in real time, enters at the perfect momentum. Running and then another one last trade to hit today's target. Going in with 4.5k, watch how the AI detects the optimal setup. And we got it, 9.8k in minutes. This is unreal. I know you are thinking that how is this even possible? Let me break it down. Advanced market analysis, it processes real-time data faster than any human could. Precision entry and exit points. The AI bot ensures we entered only at high probability zones, no emotions, no strategy, just no overtrading, no fear, no greed, just calculated wins. This is not some random strategy, this is science-backed AI-driven trading at its finest. Now you have seen the insane results. This bot delivers. The only question is, are you ready? Limited time offer. This AI bot is changing lives, and can you get it right now? We are offering exclusive discounts for a short time, so do not miss out. Want to test it first? Join our free demo sessions and see it live in action. Click the link in the description and start trading smarter. Let the AI do the work. Like, comment and subscribe if you are ready to take your trading to the next level. Let's win together.